Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI Radar. Today I have for you 3 artificial intelligence news about AI in the army. Lee Fang for The Intercept reports that a number of Google workers are voicing concerns that the search giant is continuing to deploy cutting-edge AI technology to the Pentagon and law enforcement customers. Google promises interested firms access to its own AI training data and sometimes places Google engineers within the companies as a resource. The firms it supports through Gradient Ventures, a venture capital arm that Google launched in 2017 to nurture companies deploying artificial intelligence, include companies that provide AI technology to military and law enforcement. For example, Cognac, which is providing image processing software to the US Army. Cape Productions, which provides law enforcement with the ability to fly fleets of drones to conduct aerial surveillance over American cities. Google employees anonymously revealed that the work embraced by Gradient Ventures startups appears to circumvent the commitment by their employer to carefully vet and disclose military and law enforcement applications of AI technology. Furtherly, they provided the Intercept with emails revealing that these startups receive financial support from Google and huge amounts of training data for Google's own AI systems and advanced AI trainings from Google again. A spokesperson from Google stated that Google's Gradient Ventures adheres to Google's AI principles when making investments, a reference to a statement of ethics released by CEO Sundar Pichai in July of last year. Rich for Investors.com reports that U.S. Defense Secretary Nominee Mark Esper said during his confirmation hearing a couple of weeks ago that artificial intelligence has the ability to fundamentally change warfare, and the first country to fully harness the technology will gain long-term dominance. Despite analysts have said that hypersonic weapons have the potential to be the most disruptive battlefield technology since the advent of stealth, current missile defenses are unable to stop them. Esper told members of the Senate Armed Services Committee that he considers artificial intelligence the #1 emerging technology. Indeed, he thinks that AI has the potential to change the character of warfare, and he believes that whoever masters it first will dominate on the battlefield for many years. But, argues Rich, China could have an advantage versus the US. China could have an advantage versus the US in the development of AI. China mines the huge volumes of data for its AI systems from its citizens, leaving the US with its strict privacy laws at a disadvantage. To counter China's advantage, hence the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, is working on developing AI without a hoard of data. This one I'm unshamefully reading it. Technologyreview reports that Anduril has secured a contract to monitor US military bases with its autonomous surveillance tech. Anduril was recently awarded a $13.5 million contract to monitor US Marine bases with autonomous systems. 2 of these bases are in Japan, the others are in Hawaii and Arizona, in the US. The contract called for a system that will autonomously detect, identify, classify and track humans on foot, wheeled and tracked vehicles on land, surface swimmers and surface vessels and boats. Anduril makes just such a perimeter monitoring system called Lattice, which uses sensor towers, drones and machine learning to automatically identify trespassers. The fallout over Google's involvement in Project Maven showed that The military use of AI is controversial, but as this contract proves, the technology is already rapidly moving into the defense realm. It also highlights how existing defense contractors may be outmaneuvered by companies used to working at startup speed. Oof. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye!